these issues definitely have to be highlighted, and I congratulate and I salute Sudeep Dalvi for taking this opportunity to highlight the issues of the state. And we hope that individuals like this, like Sudeep Dalvi, will come forward and express themselves. All that we need is people to come forward and express themselves and actually say what they have got deep without any without anything. Just come forward courageously and actually say what is happening to our state. Thank you.
Protest swim. It's a unique form of protest. He's doing a solo swim because we want to protest against the injustice that is happening to Goa, the destruction of Goa. If you see what is happening, there's no law and order, there's no head of the state here in Goa, and we find that everywhere you go, there is a lot of crime. There is a lot of destruction of sand dunes, our rivers, our springs, our trees, our coconut trees. Everything is being destroyed. Nobody cares. It looks like we are facing now neo-colonialism. The Delhi is colonizing Goa, and all the big businessmen are coming and trying to grab land in Goa, destroy Goa, and we are totally against this. To protest against this, and on this day, the so-called statehood day, we are asking the government to stop this destruction. Otherwise, we'll be forced to initiate agitation against this. How women are being raped, how men and women are being murdered. What is this happening to Goa? Why don't we have proper law and order? Where is the police? Where is the government? There is no government. Goa has become a banana republic. Please stop this. Please save Goa. Goans come out. We have to protest against this.
हे 31 वर्षान आमकां कितें मेळ्ळें? कित्याक लागून आमी स्टेटहूड डे सेलिब्रेट करता? ह्या कॅसिनो खातीर, करप्शना खातीर, ह्या बिल्डिंगां खातीर, डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ गोवा खातीर आमचे गोंय आतां पिड्यार जातलें. आनी असल्या एटमॉस्फियरान, असल्या वातावरणान स्टेटहूड डे इट लुक्स लायक अ जोक. So to protest against whatever is happening wrong in Goa, whatever is happening regarding the destruction of Goa, cutting down of mangroves, construction of illegal buildings, land mafia, political mafia, this mafia, that mafia, against all these pests which are pestering the life of Goan citizens, to protest against all this, a swim across the river. Mandovi is symbolic of existence of Goa, and today its own existence is in danger. To save our Goa, to spread a message that we have to do something, we have to get up, rise up, and stop not until the goal is received, a swim across the river.